This is what's called a Korean Evodia, I think is how you pronounce it, or we call them BB trees. This tree is, well, I'll back up and show you how big it is. It's 8 foot tall maybe, 4 years old. As you can see, this limb right here, there was a limb that came out just like those two on this side, till we had a deer that decided to put his rub on this tree, and that peach tree over there, and ripped that one big limb off. But just so you guys see how these honeybees and native pollinators are all over this tree. There's something I've never seen before. That wasp looking thing, but I mean, look at these. This is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They've been on it all day long. Thinking about watering it to see if I can get some more nectar out of it, since we're in the dearth already. But the thing is, this tree is supposedly not supposed to bloom till August. Here it is, June 21st, 22nd. But I mean, look at these honeybees all over it. There's that nice little wasp there. Then you've got the, where's it at? Bowl-faced hornet somewhere there. All right, it flew off. No wonder I couldn't see it. Then you've got all kinds of small little bees. There's a nice indigo looking bee. But I mean, this little tree, can you imagine what, there's another different kind of pollinator. But can you imagine what this tree is going to look like in 4 or 5 more years? If this is a 4-year-old tree, I got it, it was, I think, a foot tall bare root tree. And I've just been keeping it watered. I put, that is strawberry mint. Obviously it doesn't have anything to do just because it's strawberry mint, other than it's ground cover to keep the weeds down. And it has just flourished in 4 years. I've got 4 more of them planted. Of course, they're only 2-year-old. And then I've got like the golden rain tree there. There's a golden rain tree here. There's Vitex. Negrundi is really the only ones that work. Then in between those two is a bottle bush. Another Negrundi. In between that is an indigo. Then another Vitex. And then there's a row of 4 BB trees back there, and then another golden rain tree. And I have 2 more golden rain trees that I haven't planted yet. But this just show you that this is a tree that, if you're looking at buying a tree to plant in your yard for the bees, this is evidence that they really do work at the version of bees we have, not the Asian honeybee, but the Italian. Of course, I don't run Italians. I've got buckfast Caucasians, mite biters, carnicas, a couple of feral queens that are just that great that I bring to the mating yard. But I mean, this tree is literally just covered. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just an idea. Have a great one.